Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update Tesla Model Y software. First, ensure your vehicle is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for downloading the update files efficiently. Also, make sure your Tesla has at least a 20% battery charge to prevent interruptions. Finally, park your Model Y in a safe, secure location before beginning the process. These steps ensure a smooth update. Once your prerequisites are met, it's time to check for the update. On your Tesla's large touchscreen, navigate to the Software tab. Here, you'll see information about your current software version. If an update is available, a notification will typically appear, often with an Update Available message. Simply tap on this notification to proceed and view the details of the new software. After reviewing the update details, you can initiate the installation. Tap the Install button on your screen to begin. The update process typically takes about 25 to 45 minutes. During this time, it's very important not to drive your vehicle or open any doors. Your Tesla will be performing critical system updates, and interruptions could cause issues. Just let it do its work. Once the update is complete, your Tesla Model Y will automatically restart. You'll then be running the latest software version. Take a moment to review the new release notes, which detail any new features or improvements. If you encounter any unexpected issues or persistent problems after the update, don't hesitate to contact Tesla Service for assistance. Enjoy your updated Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.